how I find properties that make me passive income and how you can too. This is going to be an in-depth tutorial, so make sure you save the video, take notes, and watch the whole thing. First, and most importantly, before you start looking at properties, you need to pick a city with a really good price to rent ratio. This is the ratio between the home price and the average yearly rent price. You can find the home price on Zillow, and you can find the rent prices on Rentometer. You want to look for anything less than 13. Step 2 is to head over to Zillow, start looking at properties, and use the 1% rule to start analyzing them. The 1% rule states that the monthly rent price should be 1% of the purchase price in order for it to cash flow. So, for example, if you buy a $100,000 home, then it should rent for $1,000 a month. To find out how much the home rents for, you can use Rentometer. Now, if the property doesn't come close to the 1% rule, then just forget about it. If the property does meet the 1% rule or comes close to it, then you can analyze it fully. I would use a spreadsheet or a calculator like this one to help you. First, use the rental amount that you got from Rentometer as your rental income. Then fill in all of the expenses like the mortgage, taxes, insurance, property management, savings for repairs, vacancy, capital expenditure, and all the utilities. The trick is to use conservative numbers the entire way. This way, if it works with your conservative numbers, then you've built in a savings buffer for yourself. Then, if from your calculations the property cash flows at least $500 per month and you've double checked your numbers, then you're golden. You'd make an offer on that property. Hit that follow button to become financially free.